Hey guys, how are you? Today we discuss about my hobby. So let's start. Hobbies play an important part in our life. They keep us busy in spark hours and make life happy. They make us forget our worries and give us inspiration. There are many hobbies like drawing, painting, gardening, stamp collection, photography, reading, swimming, sewing, crafts, cooking, etc. My favorite hobby is gardening. Gardening gives me immense pleasure. When I saw seeds shown by me growing into beautiful plants and blooming flowers, it gives me a great sense of fulfillment. Also, gardening gives us a lot of exercise. It teaches us to work with our own hands. It brings us into close contact with nature. Gardening adds to our comfort and health. We enjoy the fresh air, the cool breeze, and the pleasant shade of trees. The sweet smelling flowers make the air fragrant. It refreshes the brain and invigorates the whole body. In the world full of tension and pollution, it is a great relief to see beautiful flowers and lovely plants. Gardening is a good hobby. I really enjoy it. When others appreciate and admire our garden, I feel very proud of my efforts. So friends, please subscribe our channel and like, comment, share to get more and more videos. Your one like and one comment inspire us to make new video. Which video you need, you should comment in our comment box. Inshallah, I will make video about your comment. So thank you so much for watching this video.